Mastering division of large numbers in English. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to dive into an exciting area of English language learning: division of large numbers. We've all used small numbers in our everyday life, but what about large numbers? They're not as scary as they sound, I promise. So, let's get started and you'll soon be confidently dividing large numbers in no time. Before we start dividing large numbers, let's first make sure we are comfortable with what large numbers look like. In English, we group digits into threes, using commas, once we get above the thousands. For instance, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 1 million, 10 million, 10 million, and so on. Remember, it's all about grouping the digits and understanding the place values. This will help us when we start to divide these large numbers. Now, let's quickly recap how division works. When we divide, we're basically asking, how many times does this number fit into this other number? For instance, if we divide 10 by 2, we're asking, how many times does 2 fit into 10? The answer is 5. When we talk about large numbers, we apply the same concept, just with more digits. Let's try an example together. 10,000 divided by 2. We start from the left and ask ourselves, how many times does 2 fit into 10? The first digit. The answer is 5. We place this 5 in our answer. Now we move to the next digit, which is 0. 2 into 0 goes 0 times. We do this for all the zeros, and our final answer is 5,000. The key is to take it one digit at a time. Large numbers might seem daunting, but if you break it down step by step, you'll see it's not that complicated. The best way to get comfortable with dividing large numbers is to practice. Start with simpler numbers and gradually work your way up to larger ones. It might take some time, but that's okay. You're learning and improving with each problem you solve. That's it for today, folks. I hope this video has made dividing large numbers seem less daunting. Remember, it's all about understanding the place values and taking it step by step. Keep practicing and soon you'll be dividing large numbers like a pro. I'll see you in our next video. Until then, happy learning!